Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up an AI agent that drives sales and schedules appointments for your high-ticket offers. Whether you're selling products like coaching, education, marketing services, or any high-ticket item that involves calling leads to gauge interest in your offering, this guide is for you. Traditionally, in high-ticket sales industries, many calls are outsourced to cost-effective locations like the Philippines, India, or Colombia. Now, with AI, you can completely replace your sales representatives. Let's break down the numbers. A typical sales agent can make 100 to 150 calls a day, totaling about 2,000 to 3,000 calls per month. This usually costs around $1,000 per person per month. With AI, you can significantly reduce this cost by 5 times and dial up to 10,000 numbers in a single day. I'll quickly show you some results that our clients are achieving using AI to make calls, book appointments, schedule meetings, and drive results for their high-ticket offers. One of our clients operates in high-ticket coaching, dialing between 3,000 to 5,000 numbers daily using AI agents. Out of these, they achieve impressive results, over 4,000 numbers dialed daily, resulting in 200-plus leads converted into booked appointments. In one campaign, they dialed over 3,000 leads, achieving 73 appointments scheduled, all at a cost of just $200. In another recent campaign, they dialed approximately 4,700 numbers, with 200-plus appointments booked, costing only $156. To achieve similar results manually, a company would typically require 2 to 3 sales representatives making 100 to 150 calls each day, working 20 days a month, Monday to Friday. With AI, however, they achieve these outcomes in a single day, dialing over 10,000 numbers effortlessly. Impressive, right? This is all thanks to Awaz.ai. If you want to achieve similar results, keep watching because I'm going to quickly show you how you can set up a campaign like this and launch it for your high-ticket offer. With AI, you can reach out to all your leads and prospects, booking appointments and scheduling meetings, making life much easier for your sales representatives. Now, we're going to set up a funnel where AI agents will call your leads. You might be collecting leads through marketing channels, emails, purchasing databases, or using a lead generation funnel. Awaz.ai is capable of dialing up to 1 million calls in a single day. Through AI, we'll qualify these leads by evaluating their interest in your product or service. If a lead is qualified, the AI agent will confirm meeting availability and send a meeting confirmation. We'll set up multiple actions and triggers for prospects showing interest like, "Yes, I'm interested, I want to learn more," or "I want to speak to a human." Automated actions could include sending SMS confirmations, WhatsApp messages, email calendar invites, and applying tags to identify interested leads. Tags are crucial for organizing follow-ups or human calls by sales representatives. If a prospect shows no interest, we'll automatically unsubscribe them, ensuring they're not contacted again through the AI agent. Now, to create this funnel, we'll follow a step-by-step process where I'll guide you through setting up this exact funnel for your business. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to set it up on your own using Awaz.ai. The first step is creating an account with Awaz.ai. The second step involves connecting phone numbers and setting up a calendar, creating the agent, setting up actions, and defining tags. Afterward, you'll upload the contact database that you want the AI to call. Finally, we'll launch the campaign. We're creating an AI agent that will call leads who sign up on Awaz's website. Let's navigate to Agents and create a new agent by clicking on New Agent. For this use case, I'll use an agent I've already set up named Adrian. Adrian speaks in an American accent with no background noise. I've provided details about Awaz, the agent's objective to schedule demos for Awaz.ai. Next, I ensure the back channel is enabled and then click on Prompt. Now, this is where I'll define my prompt. I've provided the agent with background information about the target audience, the value proposition, details about the agent, the company, the role, and the objective. I want the agent to maintain a focused engagement, keep conversations short, practice active listening, and adhere to the topic of awaz.ai. For objection handling, I've included instructions to discuss the benefits of a current market analysis and how it could be advantageous for any lead that signs up. Once you've defined your agent's prompt and objectives, the next step is to save it and proceed to actions. In the actions, I've set up a few integrations. To set up a calendar, I first need to go to the Settings tab and then to Integrations. Here, I will connect my phone number. I can either buy a phone number or connect my existing phone number by entering it and validating the one-time password. Next, I connect my WhatsApp by clicking on Add WhatsApp and scanning the QR code through my WhatsApp mobile app. This links my WhatsApp account to the platform. After setting up my phone and WhatsApp, the next step is to go to Calendars. Here, I create a new calendar and set all the time slots when I'm available to take calls with customers. This defines the time frame within which the agent will book appointments and meetings for you. For example, you can set your availability from Monday to Friday, 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. You can specify all kinds of availabilities here. This is how you set up a calendar. Once I've set up the calendar and phone, the next step is to create tags. Tags are important because they help us measure results. For example, this tag could be Awaz AI. I'm going to create multiple tags to track various outcomes. One tag could be meetings booked, and another tag could be WhatsApp messages sent. These tags will allow me to measure how many meetings have been booked and how many WhatsApp messages have been sent to the leads who are signing up. I believe these tags will be sufficient to measure for me. I'll go back to my agent settings for Adrian and navigate to the prompt. This is where I'll add those tags we've created. First, I'll select the tag Meeting Booked. So I'll create a tag that will be added to the contact when a meeting is scheduled or booked. This will allow me to measure how many meetings have been booked. Next, I'll create another tag, WhatsApp Sent. This tag will be added to the contact when a WhatsApp message is sent out. After creating these tags, I click on Save and then Save Updates. This way, I can measure the results and outcomes. Then we go back to Actions. This is where I connect to my calendar. First, I click on Scheduling and select the calendar that I've created. Then, I choose the time zone, let's say Pacific Time, and set the meeting duration to 30 minutes. Next, I specify when to trigger this action. When the AI is asked to book an appointment, it will use the calendar I've just created in the Settings tab. After configuring these settings, I click on Save. Now, the AI agent will start taking those actions. To create the WhatsApp integration and automation, we select the integration type as WhatsApp Message. Then define when we would like to trigger this action. In this case, we want to trigger the action when the customer books an appointment. Then, we select the channel, which will be the WhatsApp number that we've connected in the previous step. Next, we define the WhatsApp message. The message could be, "Hi, thanks for booking a meeting with us. We will call you back. We have sent you a calendar invite." We will also select the option Speak After Execution, so this message is sent out right after the call. Finally, we click on Save. Now, we've got the WhatsApp setup, the calendar setup, and we can similarly configure the SMS integration. Here you define first when to trigger the SMS. In this case, we want the SMS to be sent before you finish the calls and send an SMS summary of what was spoken during the call. Then you can again select Speak After Execution and hit Save. But if you're collecting leads on your website, you can also create an integration with Zapier. The way it works is that any lead that signs up on your website will automatically be added to Awaz, and Adrian will directly call this lead right after the sign-up happens. To check more details about how to set up a Zapier or webhook automation, be sure to check out our other video on this. For this use case, we will not be doing a Zapier integration. Finally, click on Save Updates. Now we've got our AI agent completely set up with all the action items we wanted to perform. The next step is to go to the list section and create a new list. Give your list a name, and then you will need to upload contacts into it. Now, let's look at the Awaz website sign-up list. There are two ways to add contacts to your list. First, you can add contacts manually by defining the name, phone number, email, etc. Alternatively, you can upload a CSV file, which is the easiest way to upload your database. When uploading your CSV file, ensure that the headers include name, email, phone, and any other fields you wish to upload to the list. If you want to add more fields beyond name, email, and phone, you can go back to the settings, navigate to custom fields, and define the different types of fields you would like to capture for your list and contacts. This is particularly important if you want the AI to ask detailed questions about your leads, such as date of birth, address, phone number, location, city, country, and so on. Here, you can add a new field, define its type, and give it a name. These variables can then be utilized within your AI agent's prompts when engaging with customers, allowing you to incorporate this information during conversations. Once you've defined your list and uploaded your contacts, the final step is to go to the Campaigns section and launch a campaign. To do this, create a new campaign and give it a name, such as Awaz Campaign Test. Next, select whether you want to run an inbound or outbound campaign. Outbound campaigns are for when you want the AI agent to call all the leads in a specific list, while inbound campaigns are for when you want the AI agent to answer calls made to a specific number. We are doing an outbound call campaign. First, select the phone number, then choose the agent, Adrian. Next, select the contact list we just created, Awaz website signups. Configure the AI agent to call each lead at least 5 times a day and, in case of a rejected call, to retry after 60 minutes. We're going to set the daily budget to $100 and choose a time zone. We're also going to specify the calling hours as 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. After setting these parameters, click on Save Campaign. Now, the campaign has been created and you can see it listed. To start the campaign, simply turn it on. Once activated, the system will begin dialing all the numbers in the specified list. You will be able to see all the calls made by the AI agent. Whether an appointment has been booked or not, the result will show up as an outcome because a result has been achieved. You can filter the calls by outcome, date, or campaign. By clicking the purple button, you can see the complete transcription and analysis of the call, and you can also view and download the call recording. Now, I know what you're thinking. Outcome is too general. I want to see how many meetings were booked and appointments were scheduled. That's where tags come in. Let's go back to our list and select the Meetings Booked tag or WhatsApp Messages Sent tag. With these tags, we'll be able to filter leads and see exactly how many meetings were booked through this specific list. And I can show you an example of how it looks. Let's go to this list called Unsigned Default List. You can see the tags we created earlier. By filtering by tags, we can see who received the calendar invite, which leads got the SMS, or who received the WhatsApp message. With tags, you can measure all the actions and results. You can create multiple tags to track various outcomes and results for your campaigns. And that's about it, guys. That's how you create and launch your AI agent to automate actions like sending WhatsApp messages, SMS, or email confirmations. You can also use Zapier and webhooks to have the AI agent automatically call leads or send out specific automated actions. For instance, if a meeting is scheduled, you might want to add this contact to your CRM so your sales team can follow up. To do this, create a Zapier integration in your agent settings. In your agent settings, go to Actions and create an integration called Zapier Trigger. Then specify when to trigger the action. For instance, if you want to send out email information for this contact, add the variable email. Select Speak After Execution and click on Save. Now what this does is it sends the specific contact that booked the meeting to your CRM. You can integrate this with your CRM using Zapier. In Zapier, select this AI agent, view the contact, and automatically push that information to your CRM or any other software. You can do all kinds of advanced automations through Zapier and webhooks. If you're interested in learning more, check out our latest video on this. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.